The outdoors is your haven. Turn it into your home with the collapsible camping table from Alpcour. The collapsible camping table has a lightweight design that takes nothing away from its strength, easily holding up to 50 pounds of camping gear and equipment. The unique hinge system means you don't need any tools to set up the table. It simply unfolds and locks in no time. And once it's set up, it's low enough for you to just sit on the ground or in a camp chair. When you're set to get moving again, just fold the table up and store it in the compact over-the-shoulder carry bag. This, along with the stylish, waterproof aluminum hardtop and all-terrain feet, makes the Alpcour camping table indispensable for an outdoor dweller. And it comes in 3 different convenient sizes. In between adventuring, rest and relax the right way. The Alpcour collapsible camping table. Flat out convenience.
Here's a quick guide on how to use your Coleman Classic propane stove. Always place the stove on a sturdy, flat surface. Open the lid and position the wind guards as desired. Make sure the pot support, which is the metal grate, is in place and both knobs are in the off position. Take the regulator and screw it into the stove until it is hand tight. Remove the plastic cap from the top of the propane bottle and screw the propane bottle into the regulator until it is hand tight. Make sure the propane bottle is tilted with the top facing up. Hold a lighted match or butane lighter near the burner and turn the knob so that the burner is on. Adjust the knob until the flame is blue with a hint of yellow on the tips. Repeat the previous steps to light the second burner. When finished, turn all burner control knobs to off, remove the propane bottle and regulator. Once everything cools, clean the stove, place the gold end of the regulator into the hole provided for secure storage, fold the wind guards, and store away. For more information, visit Coleman.com or download the Coleman app.
This is the StrongArm Fine Edge fixed blade knife. It features full tang construction with a 420 high-carbon fine-edge blade for strength and durability. It's coated in black ceramic for low-profile use and corrosion resistance. The knife's handle has a rubber overmold engineered with a diamond texture for superior grip in all conditions. The modular sheath has snapped-together components that allow you to mount the knife in multiple ways, using MOLLE or vertically or horizontally on a standard tactical belt. Proudly built in Portland, Oregon, this is the StrongArm fixed blade knife.
Thank you for your interest in Tac9er's 15-in-1 multi-tool shovel. In this video, we will demonstrate the setup and the two configurations of the Tac9er multi-tool shovel. Setting up your multi-tool shovel is simple and easy to do. You only need to line up the parts and screw them in tight. To use the pick-hoe configuration, all you need to do is loosen the locking mechanism, angle the spade, and then retighten it. The Tac9er 15-in-1 multi-tool shovel is both compact and portable. This multi-tool shovel weighs just 2.2 pounds, measures 29 inches when fully assembled, and easily fits into a 9x6 carrying pouch. This bad boy packs in a lot of features and allows you to conquer the outdoors. It has tools ranging from everyday uses, from bushcraft to survival situations. It has a serrated edge knife for cutting wood, a hook and wire cutter, a hex driver, a safety hammer for emergency uses, a harpoon, a saw, a rescue knife, a bottle opener, a flathead and Phillips head tool, a magnesium flint for fire starting, and a glass face compass for navigating the outdoors. And you can buy with confidence because Tac9er is a US-based company. We stand behind our products. That's why we offer an industry-leading, no questions asked, 5-year warranty. If you break it, we'll replace it. It's that simple. We hope you'll enjoy your new Tac9er 15-in-1 multi-tool shovel, which will prepare you for any emergency situation.